So hey guys, it's me, Nina channel. Today I am here at Pattaya Sheep Farm. I think that we could maybe just feed some sheep because, as you know, this is a sheep farm, I said. And the sheep is kind of outside, like outside the barn sometimes. But as you see at the back of me, it's starting to get... Okay. So yeah, sorry for the shaky hand. I'm not using this right, maybe. I don't know, but I have to walk very slow. So I don't know, what should we do first? What should I do first? Okay, so we maybe have to go around this side. This is my first time using like a stick thingy. It's maybe a little bit shaky. But as you see at the back of me, there's a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, we might see some camera people at the back because she's getting a double deck camera for it. So it looks like a birthday party for a child kid. This, perfect. So these are maybe the sheep family. I see cows and moose or deer and sheep. Oh my god, there's lots of them. So okay, Mr. Moo, and that's Moose Man. Hello, Mr. Moose or Deer. Hi. You see, we're coming up this mystery doorway. I don't even know if this is even open. This is Albert Einstein in sheep form, isn't he? You look great. Hey! I'm posting this on Facebook. So nice, this place. So as you guys see on the back, see this girl? This is Alice. Alice in Wonderland book. This is the cat from the movie. I didn't really watch Alice. So now I just think about it, that this place is basically a story, like a story. That's Red Riding Hood. Can I go to her grandma's house? This is a little cottage. Grandma's house. She's better sleeping. And whoa, who's that? We've got Rapunzel waiting for a prince because there is no prince exist. Her hair was already cut with a little nice bunny, and we missed something. Dumbo. Yes, Dumbo. Humpty Dumpty. Maybe, kinda. There. I don't know, where did the goose come from? I'm not sure. We've got that. Okay, not this bear. That. I don't know what's that. Oh, who's that? Well, this is a story about Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk, you see. Stories in the Beanstalk and Jack and the giant, I guess. The boot, that's the house that's stuck with the book. This is Pinocchio. We know him. Pinocchio. We shouldn't lie and we should listen to consequences? Yeah, that's Pinocchio. This is also the story about the frog prince. Hello, they're trying to kiss me. I don't know how to call this. I forgot. Castle. I don't know what story this is from. Dragon. No, dragon. Yeah. So basically we're at Snow White and the more little dwarfs. It's not only 7. Yeah.
It's just one food. It's hungry.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he's so fluffy. decided to go here, so everyone is away. This is my place now, I guess. I'm the only one here, like literally the only one in this barn. Everybody's scared about that. I may be the oldest one here, except for my mom, the camera person. This guinea pig is so cute. I'm so happy. Okay, now it's scared of me. I want this one. The one inside with dark red eyes. You're a wet guinea pig. Maybe not. I don't know what kind. The good stinky. You could take it. Wow. Oh my god, I am scared if he jumps out. It's so adorable. So guys, I just found the cutest thing. I'm scared of it will drop, so I have to go at the floor. Oh my god, it's so adorable. It's so adorable. You're so cute, but I feel like I'm hurting him or something, or her. I don't know. exactly. What? Oh my God! No, no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. That tickles. No. Oh, they're still on the hat. I cannot see anything. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's cute, right? I named him Biblio. Maybe not. That's a copy name. His name will be Fatlantis. He's kind of chubby fat, and then I don't know where I got Atlantis from. But no birds are starting to come and, you know, get my head yet, so that's good. So thank you for watching, and maybe see you guys later. Yeah. Bye. Oh, so cute.